I'm a bill it overload, yeah. Ready fi go turn boy over. Drive shot in a head like Land Rover. Step on the men's militant like soldier fi send boy over home, yeah.
Yo, what's good YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back with another banger video. Yeah man people, yeah man gang. First off, I just want to say if you live in Trinidad, I just want to wish you a happy and prosperous new year. Yes, and I hope you enjoy your Christmas, and I hope you staying prayed up, and I hope you keep God in your life. You don't know, yeah man, make sure you say a prayer now and give God thanks. Yeah man people, today we have a very sad story. You see me, unfortunately, as you think stuff are looking up and stuff are calming down and looking a bit better, you see me, look like we spoke too soon, because unfortunately, according to the stream, it seems like early this morning there was a shootout between the 6 and a 7 gang member known by Ratty. You see me, and unfortunately it seems that according to the street that Ratty did survive, but unfortunately it seems that his girlfriend going by the name of Tanisha apparently passed away. Really sad story, gang. You see me, it's just crazy, man. We don't want to hear them thing there. You see me, yeah man, we want to hear music that we want to hear. You see me, we don't want to hear war and people dying. You see me, it seems that also Plumpy boss also chimed in, you see me, on his IG with a post on his story. You see me, he chimed in with a post on his story. I'm saying basically sending condolences and RIP to the beautiful soul, to the girl that lost her life. You see me, it seems to go by her name Tanisha. You see me, RIP to her and condolences to her family. Yeah man, but we do have a little snippet of what happened. I'm not gonna play everything, bro, but this is the video that is circulating online right now. You see me, very unfortunate incident, man. Take a look.
Never run down nobody. Can no get shoot up dread. Real corn on the avenue. A woman. It's in my plate. Only if they are the family, as a girl, she now get real corn. Police watch her car, they light up and then drive off normal. Never run down nobody. Just man jump out. Whoa, a woman there, my nigga. A woman died, bro. Whoa.
Yeah man people, real crazy incident, man. Really unfortunate situation. You see me, I say once again, RIP to young lady that lost her life. Condolences to her family, and just like, prayers for Trinidad, man. You know what I'm saying? We really don't want to hear them story there. You see me, we don't want to hear them story. We don't want to hear gang war. We don't want artists to fight against one another. We want to hear unity and we want to hear good music. You see me, that we want to hear, bro. Be a bad artist in the 7 gang and be a bad artist in the 6 camp. You see me, man, them for unite up and come together, man. You see me, and start make some hits, collabs and everything there. You see me, unfortunately lives were lost. You see me, have been lost during the whole feud and thing. But man, it's never too late for peace. You see me, to reconcile and, you see me, to move forward in a better way, man. You see me, I say we don't know exactly what's going on. You see me, but this is what they must have on the internet and now going on in the streets right now. But you see me, just want to make you know how go on. You see me, real unfortunate internet, man. You see me, they keep up with the artists, them, and music and everything in our islands. You see me, so anything happen, we definitely we are going there and we'll talk about it and make you know what go on. But really unfortunate situation. RIP again to the beautiful soul. You see me, people, let me know your thoughts about this situation and this whole ordeal. You see me? Yeah man, and will we ever say peace? You see me, in Trinidad and thing, man. You see me, beautiful island, bro. We want to hear peace and unity. You see me, so let me know your thoughts on the situation, thoughts and opinion about the whole situation and our deal, and what do you think can fix things? You see me, make things better. You see me, drop on the thoughts. Don't know, boy Jambisco. Next time, take yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.